Well, here I am at the Rice County Courthouse, and I will be going in to talk to the Rice County attorney and get some more discovery and to see if we can get to the bottom of what's going on here. So here we go, and we'll just kind of hold this. And just rained here in Faribault, so we're getting here at about probably 2:52 or so, and we'll go in and see who we can talk to. See what's going on here. Oh, pulling shades here now. What's up with that? Hi. I'd like to speak with John Fossum, or the highest ranking attorney here, please. Hi. Could I see Mr. Fossum, please? Hi.
How are we doing?
Hi, good. How are you?
Good. Did you ever get your other issues squared away?
No,
Don't you have another court date then?
I do. I'm here to get my evidence.
What evidence you looking for?
I'm looking for the evidence that I requested, and I asked to speak to County Attorney Fossum.
Uh-huh.
And I've been waiting here for 15 minutes, and nobody's come back. I'm just hanging out.
Okay, all right.
So nobody said, is he here? Is he going to come see me? I don't know what's going on.
How about I check for you?
That would be wonderful.
Thanks.
Hi.
Do you have a case number or something that we can give the attorneys? That way they can start looking it up.
He'll know.
Okay.
I don't have it off the top of my head. Let's see. It's 66-14-VB.
1 minute here. $66?
-VB -14-3349.
Mr. Johnson, he's not in his office back there.
Okay.
Did they give you a number where you can call him later?
Nothing. Nobody's come back. The first guys I've seen
Well, here we go.
that's paid any attention is
Who
you.
is your attorney? I believe your attorney's Kurt Fisher. Is that correct?
I believe he's the special prosecutor, but yeah, I wanted to talk to the county attorney who's elected by the people and who's in charge.
Oh, I understand. Can I give you this? These two here is Mr. Fossum's information. And
Okay.
There's Mr. Fisher. You want to call and make an appointment with him? And then schedule an appointment, come in and chat with him?
Well, I'll try. It's kind of hard, but I'm curious, how did you happen to come out here?
We're over at court administration. We're just coming over. I'm coming over to check the mail. I do the mail run.
I see. So nobody told you to come over here or anything?
No.
You just happened to be.
I recognize you from up in court.
Okay.
I
All
want to
right.
make sure everything's going all right. Okay.
Yeah, well, it's not, because they're illegally withholding my evidence, and nobody's talking to me about it. And
Okay.
I don't know. The trial by ambush just doesn't work.
Oh, I understand.
So-
Well, why don't you try those numbers and make an appointment for when he'll be in the office, or just call him and ask him what days he's generally in the office, and then if you come back down.
All right, and I appreciate your help, but where did everybody go? I mean, they left and never came back. It's the weirdest darn thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, I don't know. I was just walking in to check the mail, so.
All right, well, if you could let them know I'm looking for my evidence.
I will.
And I need it. I'm here for my evidence.
All right, I'll do that.
And
for
your
you,
name, sir?
Tom McBroom.
McBroom. Okay,
All right.
terrific. All right.
All right, sir.
Have a good day.
weekend.
Yeah, you too.
Here, I'll follow you out. I gotta go pick up some mail over there.
You following me out? Why? Oh, you're kidding. Okay.
I'm kidding.
All right. See you later. Well, there you have it. Obviously, they're afraid. They don't have the evidence. They're not willing to give it to me. And they obviously sent the cops in there to run interference because they don't want to deal with me, and they don't want to deal with people, and they don't want to obviously give me my evidence. So appears the only way that the Rice County Attorney's Office can win cases in Rice County is by illegally withholding your evidence and maliciously prosecuting. Yeah, hi.
He's not here.
Okay, so who would be available?
We have nobody at the moment. He's not here, and Miss Erickson is not here as well.
How about Julie German?
She's up in court.
She's in court.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll just go ahead and read my statement to myself, and then I'll hand it to you, okay? So apparently nobody's available as usual. So discovery requests to Rice County for case number 66-VB-14-3349, State of Minnesota versus Ayrlahn Higgy Johnson. Email me the following electronic data. Number 1, computer-aided dispatch, CAD reports for Trooper Patrick Ignaszewski from 7/30/2014 to 9/30/2014. General order number 13-90-006. Number 2, weekly reports, Form 1806 for Trooper Patrick Ignaszewski from 7/30/2014 to 9/30/2014. Produce the authorization to change Trooper Patrick Ignaszewski's WatchGuard digital in-car video factory default settings. I'll repeat that. Number 3, produce the authorization to change Trooper Patrick Ignaszewski's WatchGuard digital in-car video factory default settings from 2 minutes to the current settings. Provide the name of the State Patrol Lieutenant who physically changed the settings using the supervisor's settings. Number 4, according to Julie German, Assistant County Attorney at Rice County, in unsworn testimony, German made the wild and outrageous claim that I had a citation mailed to me in 66-VB-14-3349. Email me proof that a citation was mailed to me. Was it mailed certified mail, registered mail, or certificate of mailing from the United States Postal Service? According to Julie German, Assistant County Attorney at Rice County, in unsworn testimony, German made the wild and outrageous claim that the defendant was belligerent, crumbled up the ticket, threw it down, unquote. I need to speak to German to find out why Trooper Patrick Ignaszewski contradicted her testimony in case number 66-VB-14-4097, State of Minnesota versus Ayrlahn Higgy Johnson. Number 5, I was going to ask for a copy of the transcript for case number 66-VB-14-4097, State of Minnesota versus Ayrlahn Higgy Johnson. I had the reasonable suspicion that the State Patrol would request a transcript to investigate my complaint of perjury against Trooper Patrick Ignaszewski. However, according to the public records, no transcript has been ordered. No transcript means Trooper Patrick Ignaszewski is allowed to perjure himself, so Rice County Attorney Fossum can win this case, right? Where is my Minnesota Data Practices request data surveillance video? Number 1, surveillance video from the Rice County Attorney's Office for the incident on April 10th, 2015 with Rice County Sergeant Tom McBroom and unknown armed deputy. Number 2, surveillance video from the Rice County Sheriff's Department for the incident on April 14th, 2015, where Rice County Deputy Corey Warmington had his hand on his service pistol in a threatening manner. Miss German, Your Honor, I think the officer would need to speak for himself, but I can tell you what he would say if asked. When he stopped this defendant, he was only going to cite him for the one offense and warn him for the other 2. The defendant was belligerent, crumbled up the ticket, threw it down, and the deputy Or the highway patrolman said at that point, well, that's fine. Since you're not going to be cooperative, I will send you a citation in the mail for all 3 offenses. So he did receive at the scene a citation for 1 offense. Based on his behavior, he later received a ticket in the mail for all 3. Testimony of Julie German, Assistant County Attorney at Rice County, page 4, transcript for November 18th, 2014, hearing for file number 66-VB-14-3349. 13.03, Access to Government Data, Subdivision 3, Request for Access to Data. A. Upon request to a responsible authority or designee, the responsible authority of a government entity that maintains public government data in a computer storage medium shall provide to any person making a request under this section a copy of any public data contained in that medium in electronic form if the government entity can reasonably make the copy or have a copy made. Sincerely, Ayrlahn H. Johnson, 13517 Clinton Place, Burnsville, Minnesota, 55337. So that's the end of my statement. I'm now going to deliver it to County Attorney Fossum. Hi. I don't know where this gal went. She took off. But could I have you deliver this copy to County Attorney Fossum? And then this copy is for, what's the fellow's name that handles the other cases? I can't remember. He's got a box down here. I know. He handles for the cities of, I think, Faribault and Lonsdale. Lonsdale for sure. That city attorney. Kurt Fisher, that's his name.
Yeah, we can't take things for Kurt.
Well, they have a box here for him.
That's for us to give things to him, not
Right.
for other people. So if you want something to go to Mr. Fisher, you will have to deliver it to Mr. Fisher. We can't do that for you.
Okay, well then give 2 copies to Fossum. I'll let him deal with it.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate it. And maybe give one to County Attorney Fossum and the other one to Meredith Erickson.
Okay.
That's probably what we should do.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Thank you. How you doing? Good.
Yeah, that's completed back to the judge. Thank you. And
So there's a little respect. Mr. McBroom, Sergeant McBroom was in there again. He said, "Hello, Mr. Johnson." So he knows who I am. In typical fashion, they run and hide, and unfortunately, you can't really talk to anybody. These are supposed to be public servants, yet they're not responsive. And you heard, we can't give anything to Mr. Fisher. His box is for us to give stuff to him. Okay, well, I'm giving it to you, and then you give it to him. But it's obvious you want to obstruct justice in my case in any way you can, so that's what you'll do. So, Ayrlahn Johnson here, Faribault, Minnesota, Rice County. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.